time for another mod on the M4. Today is boot mod 3, which is a tuning platform. So first I need to clean the car. I mean it's not too dirty, but there is just a little bit of dust on it and stuff like that. So might as well clean it before I start tuning. So the software just goes on my laptop and then plug it in. And that should be it. So first let's clean. And that's it all washed. So as you can see, I just need to dry it, which I'm actually going to use this rapid detailer by Infinity Wax. Basically with this stuff, you just spray a wee bit on and then just makes it so much easier to dry off. I mean, you can see that already, everything's just kind of running off. So spray a wee bit of this over the body of the car and give it a quick dry. This also makes it look crazy amount glossier, but also just kind of topping up the ceramic coat that's on here already. And you don't need a crazy amount of it, just a wee spray, and it kind of helps. So I'll finish this and then I'll be back. So to get a good Wi-Fi signal, I actually need to move my car slightly through, just on the other side of the gate. So what I'm going to do is set this down and get a cold start of the car with valves closed and valves open, so we can compare. Okay, wasn't too cold actually, so a bit warm from when I drove it earlier. Be roughly about the same once we do it again, so should still be working. Okay, so now in the car, laptop's here and seatbelt is on because they recommend keeping your seatbelt on. Got the fan turned off and got the lights turned off. Car's in accessory mode, and I'm not going to show you the software because there's plenty of videos online going into detail on the software, so I'm just going to put on the stage 1 map, and if I change anything else I'll let you know after. So yeah. So what I'm looking at here is a stage 1 93 octane, which I think is the correct one for me. I'm using Tesco Momentum 99, so that one should be the right tune for me. So let's try that. So this is what they say to expect, which is lots of errors popping up. Fix itself, if camera focused there. Should run through all this, say all these faults, and then should clear them all at the end. So yeah, over here we're saying 3% complete, so we're running through anyway, and I'll update. Just a few more percent, we should be done. Finishing up, and all the tacks and everything are going a bit crazy. As you can see, that one's now sitting at 1, back down, going crazy, and noisy cars going past. And we're done. So let's see. So what it says to do is turn off the ignition for 5 seconds and then turn the car on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Foot on the brake. That is already noticeably louder. Different startup completely. So what I'm doing now is I've flashed it, I've went for a drive, stage 1, and you can tell the difference basically. It's a lot quicker, but what I'm doing right now is changing the pops and bangs and stuff because it was just left on OEM, so changing that up, just putting a quick custom one on there, just played around with it a bit, not making anything too crazy because don't want to kill the car. A lot quicker to flash it the second time around. Obviously the software's still on there, so there's a beep in a way, but yeah. So there you go, started up, put the GTS start up on there just so it is a bit louder. Wait, go try it out. I think that's it. Quick video this one. Just, I mean, I'm not showing anything to do with the bit mode really, because plenty of videos online, so just quick video of me doing it basically, so keep you updated. That's it.